Why hello there, sorry for the short story and lazy animation. But it'll get better by episode 1. Let me.
Actually, let me. Who am I? I cannot say. But what I can say is that sign-ups are now open. Now say bye-bye to this terrible start. And try to sign up now.
I am Hello, as you can see, I'm being used for the test of text-to-speech. So now I can speak French. Si, cool right. Back to English. Hush, hush.
God dag it, I screwed up, and I thought I was lucky. Take 2. Yes, we need it. A take 2.
See this guy? His name is AHT. You possibly know him in Numberphanogram. But he is also in Encoder and Friends. Or is he? Yeah. We all know that 11 is in Encoder and Friends. But did you know he was originally Saucer? That's right. Saucer is also in Numberphanogram. So what does this mean? Was there ever an Encoder and Friends 14? Oh no, I have the hiccups.
What's wrong?
I hope Arable doesn't have the hiccups. Was that Arable or what?
Who's that?
Is it Ben?
Ben?
18?
18?
I don't feel so good.
Oh my.
Oh no. We need to end this horrific case of hiccups.